What's up, boys? Today we're fishing for day 6 again. We're back at Butthole Lake because this is where we catch the fish. Today we're gonna be doing hand fishing today.
Hand fishing, bare
no
hands,
lures,
man,
no nothing, just hands. Let's get this done. Let's catch some fish.
Have you ever been whipping the dope so good you think the feds watch? Cause my OGs, they been whipping the double. My niggas got most of their bread flock.
Oh no.
Okay, so I'm just gonna go in. Just gonna go for it. Oh. Oh.
Oh. Oh. Hold up. I gotta acclimatize.
Alright, boys, this is the first cast of the day.
Ready?
Nothing. Nothing.
I have nothing.
I got poop. Ew,
So we got kicked out from What up, Boat Boys Nation? So some golf nerds wanted to come in our territory and say they wanted to kick us out. So yeah, we got kicked out.
Yeah, so we had to change spots, but we're not leaving yet. Even though it says no fishing, we're not leaving until we catch a fish here. And we're switching to normal fishing. Let's get this done, boys.
Did
First normal cast of the day.
Look at that precision. Take a look at that. Quite interesting, isn't it? I have nothing.
This is the first cast of the day.
Nice. Nothing.
Oh, you a flat nigga, well I get flat too. Well I get flat too. Don't let the bitch stink.
Yo!
Yeah.
Yo, I got something.
Oh,
Yo, wait, what the?
no way.
What the, Sigma? Freak Bob! I caught Freak Bob! I caught Freak Bob! Freak alert. Boat boys, look at this. We have a double lazy bones alert.
Dude.
This guy has done 5 casts, and this guy won't even get up to film.
Bones alert, lazy bones alert, oh, lazy bones alert.
Lazy bones alert.
Hey, Shen, I just want to tell y'all niggas something right now. Y'all niggas just been invited, nigga, to the Diddy party, Shen. Bring your own nigga, BYO. Bring your own to the Diddy party. I'm having a party later, Shen. Fucking balls everywhere.
Bro, keep it
We good, bro. We good, bro. Keep it moving, though.
Y'all niggas ain't
Boat Nation, look at how this guy got tangled, bro.
How do you even do that, dude?
How is anyone gonna ever untangle that?
Hey, come over here. Come over here. Just take a gander over here. No, point the camera over here. Point the camera. Point the camera down here. Point the camera down here, boy. Come on.
Those nasty
Point
toes,
the camera
boy.
down there. Yep, right there. Nope. Nope. Nope, right there.
You're being recorded for my safety.
Oh, boys, look at my socks right now. I'm gonna go throw them at elbow.
You'll never know.
What are you doing
Oh my goodness gracious. Oh. This calls for a sock fight.
Soft fight. I'm sorry. Go grab it, hurry. Grab it. Hurry. Let me fish it out.
What's up, boat boys? We're ending the video here. That was the end of day 6. But we got a new Boat Boys member here doing the outro with us.
Yep. Say hi, Blumpkin. Say hi, Blumpkin.
This is Dog Boat. Yeah. See you in the next video, Boat Boys.
See you, Boat Boys Nation.